WOBBLEboard home-based or team-based training program. Warning: WOBBLEboard should be used for prescribed training program only. Expect each session to take 15 minutes and players should complete training 3 times per week. WOBBLEboard should be used on a firm surface and close to a wall, fence, or countertop in order to steady if necessary. However, minimal use of the arms is recommended to maximize the effect of the balance training program. The player should stabilize the trunk, engaging the buttocks and abdominal muscles, pulling the stomach inward to maximize the benefit of the balance training program. Weeks 1 and 2. Dynamic balance exercises will be done double-legged in the first 2 weeks of the program. Dynamic balance forward and back. 5 reps of 30 seconds. Players will stand with their feet parallel on the WOBBLEboard, knees slightly bent and hands on the hips. They will move the front edge of the board towards the ground, followed by the back edge, repeating slowly but continuously. The edge should not actually touch the ground. Dynamic balance side to side. 5 reps of 30 seconds. Players will now move the left edge towards the ground, followed by the right edge, repeating slowly but continuously. The edge should not actually touch the ground. Dynamic balance circles. 5 each direction, 30 seconds. Next, players will move the board in a circular motion clockwise, moving the front edge towards the ground, followed by the right edge, the back edge, the left edge, repeating slowly. The exercise is done again in a counterclockwise. Static balance, 10 reps of 10 seconds. Players will then stand with one foot centered on the WOBBLEboard, knees slightly bent and hands on their hips. Players will try to keep the WOBBLEboard level. Static balance eyes closed, 10 reps of 10 seconds. To progress the difficulty of the static balance exercise, the player will close their eyes for the last 5 seconds. Following 2 weeks of this program, players will do all WOBBLEboard exercises single leg. Weeks 3 and 4, dynamic balance. 15 seconds, 5 times each leg. Players will do the dynamic movement balance exercises forward and back, side to side, and in a circular motion, both clockwise and counterclockwise. Static balance, 20 seconds, 10 times each leg. Players will progress to hold static balance exercises for longer with both eyes open and eyes closed. Advanced WOBBLEboard drills, jousting and ball exercises. To progress difficulty, players can also add in a ball toss against the wall or to a partner while balancing double-legged or single leg.